Okay, so today we're gonna make coconut drops, Jamaica coconut drops. So you need we get a coconut, cut up the coconut nice. Okay, we have some ginger and we have some sugar. About 2 cups of sugar is good. About a 2 tablespoons of ginger. So first thing we have to do is to boil the coconut. So we're gonna put the coconut to boil. Coconut for boil for about 40 minutes. We're gonna put the coconut in the water. 35 to 40 minutes you have to boil the coconut. Yeah, so we're gonna put the coconut for boil. Alright? So we have to boil the coconut. We're gonna boil the coconut for about 30-40 minutes. You use about maybe about 3.5, 4 cups of water should be good. And you're gonna boil the coconut. When we cook them things, we don't really measure, but I just try to do it so it can be simple. You use 3 to 4 cups of water. So we're gonna boil the coconut for about 40 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you how we had the sugar and the ginger and everything and make it become coconut drops. Alright, so we'll see you after. Okay, now that it boiled for 40 minutes, we're gonna add the ginger. About 2 tablespoons of ginger. And that coconut drop, ginger, and about 2 cups of sugar, 2.5 to 2 cups of sugar. I'm gonna add that tonight. I'm gonna mix up that. And we're gonna make it boil. This I gonna boil. So about maybe another 30 minutes until it start get thick. So you mix that up, sugar, coconut and the ginger. And then we're gonna start boil that again. It's gonna boil until it start become thick. And then become thick, we're gonna put it out. Make sure you get a cookie sheet or some, wax paper if you want to put it on. And it's cooked. So this is what I'm gonna put to boil again. For another about 30 minutes. So here we go. It boil out now, 30 minutes boil down. So that's the coconut drops come up there. See it? You go like turn in like a syrup. Like a syrup you have there now. After boiling for another 35 minutes. And like a syrup now. So you see it? And you just get a wax paper. Have a piece of wax paper right there, so. And you just scoop how much you want on the wax. And put it on the wax paper. You understand? And scrape up. And put your together. When that dry now, coconut drops together. You understand? You put them little bit by little bit. Right there, so. And you're gonna have it gonna dry when it cool. Everything nice and together, you see, because everything look. So that's it, coconut drops. Very simple. Look at that. See that? Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, you boil it for an extra 30 minutes when you put the sugar and the ginger inside there. And look at that. I'm gonna scrape off, I'm gonna done scrape off all this. And then just put it on the wax paper for it. Cool, and when that cool, you have your drops. So coconut drops, right there, so nice and easy, simple thing. You understand? Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye.